Hey guys, got a question from a viewer asking about pallets, as in like bulk pallets or I think it's 888 pallets, the various companies that sell you pallets of damaged and returned merchandise. And it kind of surprised me. I haven't heard anyone talk about pallets in a couple of years. And, it seems like this is something that interest kind of rises and falls in. Maybe somebody gets a good pallet, they post a video about it, and then a bunch of other people want to jump on the bandwagon. But in any case, this individual asked me what I thought about buying pallets for resale on Amazon. And I have not personally bought pallets for resale on Amazon, but a friend of mine buys pallets on a regular basis, so I know what the pallets look like. I know what the contents are like. And for Amazon, I don't really see it as being a great idea. I don't see it as being a time saver for you to start with. If you're looking to do retail arbitrage or do thrifting type work, I think that there are methods that will give you a little bit more control over your products than pallets do, without taking any more time or effort on your part. And understand, when you buy those pallets, I mean, there is profit there for the people selling you the pallets, and there's also a significant shipping cost in most cases. So, I think you can probably beat the prices in almost every instance that I'm aware of. The other issue with Amazon is that, we talk a lot about Amazon and building a brand or private labeling, or certainly having a niche that you work in. And with pallets, you can't really do any of that. You are, to a large degree, at their mercy. You get a big box, and while you may have some idea of the general type of merchandise in that box, you're going to get 20 or 50 or 100 pieces of merchandise, and there usually is a grab bag kind of element to this, where maybe the bulk of the merchandise falls into the category that you were told to expect, but there's also other merchandise in there that is just kind of out of left field, and you've got to find some way to dispose of it at a profit, because this is where you make your money. I saw a pallet recently that had kitchen equipment in it, had toys for dogs and other animals, had games in it, and had some shoes. That's a pretty broad range of merchandise. You may also get merchandise that you are not able to sell on Amazon because it's in a category that is gated and you're not approved for. So, without a lot of information about the contents of a pallet, it seems to me that it could present issues in terms of recouping your money, and it could also present some issues logistically in terms of selling products that are going to satisfy the customer, and also selling products that you are permitted to sell. So, this isn't a yes or a no answer. I can see, pallets doing very well on eBay, and certainly with Shopify. If you want to self-fulfill with Shopify, which most people don't want to do, and I'm not recommending you try that, but there's potential there. But certainly eBay would seem like a better fit for the resale of pallet contents. If you're having success selling pallets on Amazon, mention in the comments below. Tell us how you're doing it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.